Hi friends, welcome to Excel Solutions Basic and Advanced. This is my blogspot, please visit. Today I'm going to show you the alternative method of VLOOKUP. In my last couple of videos I discussed about VLOOKUP, how to use it and where to use it and how to make it a little bit dynamic using match function. Today I'm going to show you the alternative method of VLOOKUP using two functions. One is index and second is match. I discussed about match in my last video, so I'll not invest much time in discussing match function, and I will show you the parameters of index and what are the similarities and where to use these two functions in replacement of VLOOKUP in this video. So coming directly to the functions parameters and actually the syntax of the functions, we find this thing. There is VLOOKUP and there is match function and there is index function. What VLOOKUP asks is lookup value, table array, column index number and range lookup. This might be true or false or 0 or 1. What match function asks and what are the parameters? The parameters are VLOOKUP lookup value, lookup array and match type. In index, it is a new function in my whole tutorial. This is array, this is the first parameter, row number is the second parameter and column number is the third parameter. There are some disadvantages in VLOOKUP, therefore we have to use these two functions to overcome the disadvantage of VLOOKUP. If I want to share you something about VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP itself is a very useful function, and in your practical life VLOOKUP, you have to use VLOOKUP in somewhere, but there are some difficulties using VLOOKUPs. As such, the processing time of VLOOKUP is very high. Whenever dealing with small data, you will find that it is doing it within fraction of seconds, but in lots of data, when you are working with lots of data, thousands of data, then you can see that VLOOKUP is taking much more processing time. Using these two functions, this processing time could be reduced. The first condition. Second condition is, if I use VLOOKUP with match function, as I show you in my last or earlier video, you can make VLOOKUP a little bit dynamic. But if you use these two functions, then your total formula will be very much dynamic. I will show you how to use this with example, but I would like to tell you something about VLOOKUP's drawbacks. That is, basically VLOOKUP checks from left to right. Okay. And second thing, it can handle the data that has a unique value in each cell and so many more. If you work with VLOOKUP, you will find there are more disadvantages. So in my next video I will discuss it later on because there is time constraint. Thanks for watching. Watch my next video for this function.